In this video, we are going to learn how to solve problems involving matrix using the TI-84 plus scientific calculator in seconds per multiple choice questions. Now, after going through this video, I guarantee you guys that you will basically be able to handle questions involving matrix using the TI-84 plus scientific calculator fast and easily. So ensure you stay with me till the very end of this video. Alright, so guys, these are the questions we're going to practice with, of which after solving them with you, you will be in a better position to easily solve this kind of problems using the TI-84. So let's get a calculator now and get started. Alright, so this is the TI-84 plus scientific calculator. As usual, I recommend you clear it first or to reset it first. Alright, to be in a safer side. To do this, press second, then press this plus button. We press 7, press 1 to reset all, and press 2, and it will do it for us. Alright, it's done. Press this clear button. Okay, so we have in this question, we have the mat A to be this and mat B to be this. We have to find the addition of the matrices, subtraction of the matrices. We are asked to find the multiplication of the matrices. So this A dot B signifies product or multiplication, the determinants of mat A and inverse of mat B. Alright, so it's very simple. Let's impute the matrices respectively, guys. So let's begin with the mat A, that's the matrix for A. Alright, so you press this second button and this button for matrix. If you check here carefully, you see matrix written on top of it. So you press the second button and this X inverse button. So once you do it, this will come out. Now guys, we want to impute the values for mat A. So the right place to go is to edit the matrix. So once you get to this edit section, we press enter. Alright, so you give your matrix an order. Alright, so the first value we have is for the rule of the matrix. So in this mat A, we have 3 rows. So the row is the horizontal axis, whereas the column is the vertical axis. So we have 3 rows here: the first row, the second row, and the third row. We also have 3 columns. This is the first column, the second column, and this is the third column. Very, very important, guys. So we have, this is 3 by 3 matrix, guys. Go to this place. Sorry. Yeah, press 3, then press enter. So this will show you this is 3 by 3 matrix, guys. So let's impute the values there respectively. So we have 2, 2, 3 there, 2, 2, 3. Okay, then the next one we have 1, 3, 2, 1. Okay, 3, 2, and the last one there is 4, 1, 3. So we have 4, 1, 3. Okay, so guys, as you are imputing the values, they are being stored on the calculator automatically. So let's press second and this mode button for quit to go out of this place. So press second, this mode button, so it will go out of here. Let's go back to matrix mode. Those values we entered are already stored, so no need to panic. Press second and this button again. So we are going to impute the values for our mat B. So you go to this place, mat B, then go to this place, want to edit mat B, press down. Okay, make sure that it is at this mat B, guys. Alright, so it's now at mat B. So let's press enter to edit it. So the order of the matrix is still 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, press 3 here, press enter. So this is what we want, guys. So the first Oh dear, we have it to be 7 minus 1, 0. So we have 7. Now make use of this negative sign for the minus. We have minus 1, okay, 0. So that's it. The next row, we have it to be 2, 3, and negative 2. 2, 3, and negative 2. Make use of this negative sign, okay. Then the last one, we have 1, 4, 6, okay. So follow me guys, you get this. So that's exactly what we have there. We are good to go. Let's quit this and begin to find what we have to find. Press, these values are already stored guys. Press second and this mode button. Alright, so let's go back to matrix mode, second, this button. So right now we want to find the addition of the matrices. So we have 2a plus b, okay. So we have the first one for this. Alright, so we have, let's go to the back, 2a. Let's bring out the matrix mode again, okay. First one, so we have 2a, alright, plus, now go back to matrix mode, second, this, okay. B is what you want, come down, press enter. So this is it guys, we want 2a plus b, so that's it. Let's press enter to get the output. Alright, so this will be the addition of the matrices. Very simple. Clear this. So let's do the second one. So this one is subtraction, 4a minus 2b. Alright, so we have 4. Then second, this math button. So 4a, press 1 minus 2b. So we have 2. Then press second, this button, okay. Come to this math b, press enter. So that's it guys. Let's press enter now to get the output. So we have it to be this. So this is the subtraction of the matrices. We're making progress. So let's go to the C aspect. A times b, okay. So let's clear this. Alright, so we have second, this button. So we have math A times math B. Press second, this button. Come down, press 2. Alright, press enter. So this will give you the product. It's as simple as that guys. So let's go to determinant now guys. Before we solve determinant, if you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button now to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what you're learning from this video. I really appreciate this guys, and it helps the YouTube algorithm to recommend this video to more people out there to notice. So having done that guys, let's quickly solve the D question and the last one. Alright, so let's clear this. So we are looking for determinant of math A. So we press this second and this matrix button. So once you do it, you go to this math section, navigate to this place. Okay, so we are looking for determinant, which is option 1. Determinants of what? Determinant of math A. You press second and this matrix button, press 1 for math A. So that's it. You close the brackets. Now press enter. So the determinant of math A is what? -9. It's as simple as that. So let's clear this and solve the last question, which is inverse of math B. Okay, so to do the inverse of math B, press second this matrix button, come down for math B, press enter. Alright, so we press this button once for inverse, press it once. Alright, so this will give us the inverse of math B. Press enter now to get the output. So we have them to be these values respectively. So guys, this is basically how you can compute problems involving matrix using the TI-84 plus scientific calculator in seconds for multiple choice questions. Hope you learned something interesting from this video. Alright, so let's call it a video here, guys. If you are new to this channel once more, ensure you hit the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel. More videos like this. Also like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific question to ask regarding the things I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave your question at the comment section below, and I'll ensure to give you a response. Alright, so click on the end screen above, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to reset your calculator once you're done. Press second, this plus button, press 7, reset, press 1, and press 2. Alright, we are good to go.